Man's best friend, the dog. Brief introduction to different types of dogs. Part 1. Loyal, loving, and endlessly devoted, dogs have earned the timeless title of man's best friend. From guarding homes to guiding the blind, herding livestock, or simply offering companionship, dogs have served humanity for thousands of years. With their unmatched ability to sense emotions and form deep bonds, dogs are more than pets, they are protectors, helpers, and cherished family members across cultures and generations. Alaskan Malamute, a powerful and enduring Arctic sled dog, known for strength and stamina. They have thick double coats and a friendly, wolf-like appearance. Malamutes are loyal, affectionate, and thrive in active homes. Tibetan Mastiff, a giant, ancient guardian breed from the Himalayas, fiercely protective. They have a thick mane-like coat and a reserved nature with strangers. Independent and strong-willed, they need experienced handling. Saint Bernard, gentle giants originally bred for alpine rescues. They're calm, affectionate, and great with families and children. Famous for their droopy eyes, massive size, and loving nature. Anatolian Shepherd, a rugged and ancient guardian from Turkey, bred to protect livestock. They are independent, intelligent, and highly territorial. With strong protective instincts, they need early socialization. Azawak, a rare, elegant sighthound from West Africa. They are lean, fast, and extremely loyal to their families. Reserved with strangers but affectionate with loved ones. Siberian Husky, a high-energy, pack-loving sled dog known for endurance and speed. They have striking eyes, thick coats, and love to run. Huskies are vocal, mischievous, and need lots of exercise. Shih Tzu, a royal lapdog with origins in ancient China. Small, affectionate, and friendly, with a flowing coat. Perfect for companionship, they're charming and alert. Bearded Collie, a shaggy, energetic herder from Scotland. They're bouncy, happy dogs full of enthusiasm and playfulness. Beardies are intelligent, sociable, and great family pets. Boxer, a strong, athletic breed known for its playful and loyal personality. Boxers are affectionate, protective, and great with kids. Their expressive faces and boundless energy make them stand out. Samoyed, a fluffy, white Arctic breed famous for its Sami smile. They're gentle, friendly, and great with people. Originally bred for herding and sledding, they love cold weather. Bulldog, stocky, muscular dogs with a distinctive pushed-in nose. They are calm, loyal, and love lounging with their families. Despite their tough looks, they're soft-hearted companions. Rottweiler, a powerful working breed with strong guarding instincts. They're confident, loyal, and thrive with proper training. Rotties are protective and devoted to their families. Pug, charming, comical little dogs with wrinkly faces and curled tails. They're affectionate lap dogs who love attention and treats. Pugs are friendly with all and full of quirky personality. Chihuahua, tiny but bold, Chihuahuas have big personalities. They're loyal to their owners and often wary of strangers. Perfect for small spaces, they still need socialization. Poodle, highly intelligent and hypoallergenic, they come in 3 sizes. Poodles excel at obedience, agility, and are eager to please. Their curly coats require regular grooming. Chow Chow, a dignified and aloof breed with a lion-like mane. They're independent, reserved, and known for their blue-black tongues. Chows are loyal but can be stubborn without early training. Pomeranian, fluffy, tiny dogs with bold and lively spirits. They're curious, confident, and love being the center of attention. Despite their size, they make good watchdogs. Dachshund, a long-bodied, short-legged hound bred for hunting badgers. They're clever, stubborn, and full of spunky personality. Dachshunds come in smooth, long, or wire-haired varieties. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.